Your body feels stiff and broken down. You have accepted that your best years are behind you. Stop sitting in the back seat of your own health. You just need one kettlebell, 3 moves, and the will to get up. These 2 quick protocols will unlock functional strength and rebuild your body for longevity. This is your comeback. If you are ready to take control today, drop the word comeback in the comments right now so I know who is locked in. Here are the 3 movements you will use. First is the single arm shoulder press to bulletproof your upper body. Second is the single arm swings for explosive hip power. And third is the single kettlebell rack squat for deep leg strength. Master these 3 and you will master your movements. Now choose your protocol. Here is option 1. Option 1 is the 21 minutes AMRAP. Set a timer for 7 minutes. Complete as many high quality rounds as possible. For every single movement, you will complete the reps on your left side. Then immediately switch and do the reps on the right side before moving to the next exercise. Do 5 shoulder presses per side, then 8 swings per side. Finish with 6 rack squats per side. Rest for 90 seconds only after the full round is complete and repeat this 7 minutes block 3 times total. If you want more controlled pace, here is the option 2. Option 2 is structured strength circuit. Start with shoulder press for 2 sets of 10 reps per side. Rest 30 seconds. Move to single arm swings for 2 sets of 10 reps per side. Rest 30 seconds. Finish with a rack squat for 2 sets of 5 reps per side. Rest 1 full minute after each complete round. If you prefer to train together, I am releasing the full follow along version of this exact circuit in my next video, including a dedicated warm up and cool down. Make sure to watch that one so we can crush the workout side by side. The plan is in your hands. Now it's time to act. Don't slide back into passive habits. You have the control now. So direct your energy, choose your actions, and feed that inner fire. If you're ready to reclaim your health, hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and share with someone who needs their own comeback. Make sure to check out my other videos to keep fueling your progress. I'll see you in the next one. I am Furkan and you were watching Functional Athletica.